Guys, I'm going to teach you how to do a bow kick. Some people call it a reverse round kick, whatever the case may be. It's actually a fun kick to use. This is the best option I got. My bag broke, and this one's on the verge of breaking, so I'm using a load of Gorilla Glue just to hold it down. So, I don't know, man. I'm trying. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to focus on the bow kick. My knee is going to come up, and it's going to go to the other direction of wherever the target's going to be. Wherever your knee goes is where their foot is going to go. You follow me? You could either do the ball of the foot or the top of the toes, depending on, like, I guess it's your call, man. Depending on what you're hitting, it varies. Because look, I'm here, knee comes up, and I just shoot my leg off to the side, and I'm kicking the kneecap, or if I want, I can take my whole shin, and I can throw it right into his thigh. It could be a bad day. You could go on the inner part of the leg. If I'm fighting, I can hit the inner leg. I can hit the inner kneecap, okay? Because look, if we're fighting, and I'm here, and I want him to focus on my hands, I could shoot out my leg right here, right off to the kneecap, and see how I'm going inside, knee comes up, and I'm swatting, I'm going whack. And I'm turning his leg out because I'm just trying to smack him and I'm just trying to get his knee to buckle. Another thing I really like, you could go for the body too. He's kind of guarding himself right now. But essentially, I like to think if I'm going to hit something, I'm going to go for the body right here, maybe the hip or the stomach. So we're fighting, boom, and then I hit him, stuff like that. I don't recommend doing it to the head unless like they're right next to you and you're super flexible and you just want to pop them. It's one of those things you could do. So again, in review, knee comes up, turning my foot off to the side. I go lower, I don't want to go high. And I'm gonna shoot my leg out. Notice how I'm turning. I'm turning. The biggest thing a lot of people forget is the hip. At the last second, the hip kind of goes out and it goes off on a weird angle. You're kind of shooting the hip out, and watch my foot. Knee, twist, shoot. I'm going on a 45. I can never do it with this other leg. It's gonna take a little bit of time, and I'm still working on it, but knee comes up, turn, fire out that kick, and the foot goes off to a angle. If you can see that, I'm really trying to emphasize, the twist. Oh, I think you guys can see it. It's very difficult. You gotta really emphasize it. Twist. I think that one was the one. I'll do it again. I twist. That's it, yeah. I go here, I twist. Yeah. It's hard. You really want to emphasize. But that's the bow kick. Give it a shot. If you guys want to see more, I appreciate you guys go checking out my Patreon. I just made a class recently. Would love for you to check it out. Kamsahamnida. Thank you. Good luck.